It was one of the most traumatic things I've ever experienced since I've been a politician, and the reason I say that is because there were many moments, Hugh, when I felt that the crowd was going to get out of control, and that there could have been, great violence done to both the Taoiseach as well as her advisor, Karen O'Connell, and others who were around her. And I was so terrified as I watched it, kind of unveil. I made many phone calls both to the guards and actually to RTE. If RTE would get there, it would happen quickly. As it happened, I found out later that actually there were a number of guards there. They were just, they didn't have the uniforms on because they felt they needed to maintain some kind of control over what was happening. So it was really scary. It shouldn't have happened, and I did witness, and I do think that there were some politicians there who were. I know that they say that they were trying to, calm down and control the crowd. That is not what I witnessed initially in terms of their behavior.
What do you think of Paul Murphy?
I was deeply disappointed that day of the way that he put out what was happening. It was not my experience of it. It's not my experience of it. It seems as...
Spoken to him about it?
Sorry?
Have you spoken to him about it subsequently as a constituency colleague?
No, I spoke to him on the day. I haven't spoken to him about it since then. No, I have not.
What would you say to him now if he was sitting in this chair?
I would say the same thing. That I would say, Paul, my experience on that day was that some of the aspects of the protest were demonstrating violent behavior. And that's exactly what I saw.
Yeah.